Take some time each week to create a meal plan that includes balanced options from all food groups. Embrace whole foods. When grocery shopping, focus on selecting whole foods rather than processed alternatives. Whole foods are minimally processed and rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet to support optimal health and wellness. Prioritize portion control. Portion control plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy weight and balanced nutrition. Be mindful of your serving sizes and try not to overload your plate. Use smaller plates or bowls to help control your portions and listen to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Stay hydrated. Water is vital for numerous bodily functions, so it's essential to stay hydrated throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to make it easier to reach your hydration goals. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, as they can lead to dehydration and contribute to poor dietary choices. Cook at home. Cooking meals at home gives you more control over the ingredients and cooking methods. By preparing your meals, you can reduce the intake of unhealthy additives, excessive salt, and unhealthy fats often found in restaurant or processed foods. Experiment with new recipes and enjoy the creative process of preparing nourishing meals for yourself and your loved ones. Read food labels. Develop the habit of reading food labels to make informed choices. Pay attention to the serving sizes, ingredient lists, and nutritional information. Look for products that are low in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Opt for foods with simple, recognizable ingredients and avoid those with artificial additives.